right there, so I got this portable monitor. It can be used as a second screen when working. It's very lightweight, very nice and thin. I love the design of it. It's so easy to just take it with you places whenever you need. Here you would have all the buttons to control the power, the brightness, and it comes with 3 different cables for videos or audio. So I'll be using the ones for both video audio. I would connect one end into the screen and the other into my computer, and that's it. Super simple. It turns on automatically, and you can use 2 screens at the same time. It's so convenient. I just cannot get enough of this. It makes work easier. The quality is amazing. The picture is very nice and clear, very great quality, nice and bright screen. And I just love using it for work because it makes the work be so much easier and flawless. I highly recommend this monitor.